Hey, this is Mrs. O. I just want to show you really quickly how to do the shape to form project. So I'm going to click here, make a copy, put my name in the file bar, make sure it's shared to Henrico County Public Schools as a commenter. Done. If you're on Tuesday, you're going to post the resource into Schoology. Then after you have posted it into Schoology, you're going to start on the project. So here I have instructions. So you're going to use the polyline tool. I'm gonna write my name. So if I go to tool to here and click on polyline, this one I want to do a rectangle. I'm gonna make a rectangle. Try to get it as straight as I can. I'm going to create the shape first. I'm going to make it a little straighter. Make up the polyline tool. Okay. I'm going to color it. And then this is going to turn into my polyline form. So I'm going to use the polyline tool again and create the side depth. I'm going to make it a little straighter. You got to click on it again each time you want to use it because it will unselect. Okay, I'm going to make this my dark value. Click on the polyline tool again. And this is going to be my light value. Okay, so that's my rectangular cube, or my rectangular prism. And then I'm going to do a triangle. So you do my shape first. You're going to do 3 shapes. So this is my triangle. I'm going to copy and paste the triangle. And I'm going to click the polyline tool and create my side depth. That's going to be my dark value. Then I will do, I'm going to do a cylinder. So a flat cylinder is usually a tall rectangle. Okay. So this is a little bit more challenging because it's going to be curved. So I'm going to take my polyline tool and turn it into a curve tool. You're going to do the same thing for a circle. I'm going to make it into a curve. You click the points where you want it to curve, and the top is going to be light. And you do the curve at the bottom. And this is going to be in the back. So you press Control Shift and the down arrow, and it's going to be the same color as your prism. I'm going to group these. So if you click the two, press Shift and you click both images, you go to Group. That'll group it. I thought the grouping it would make it. All right, so this is done. So this is ready to be submitted. You're going to submit it in Final. Okay. If at the end of the class you're not finished, you're going to put it in the WIP folder file. And that's it. All right, get to creating. Have fun.